Okay mga guys, so may maingay sa makina. Nadiagnose natin kung saan galing yung ingay. Gamitan natin ng stethoscope para ma-identify natin agad kung saan galing yung ingay. Either sa alternator, bearing. So guys, stethoscope na gamitin natin para ma-pinpoint natin agad kung saan yung ingay na nagagaling sa makina. Okay, so dito sa alternator ang pinangagalingan ng ingay. Confirm na dito ang cause ng ingay sa alternator bearing. Okay, so tanggalin natin yung belt guys para matanggal natin yung ating alternator. Okay, insertan natin ang pin dun sa auto tensioner. So yan mga guys, insert na natin yung pin. Ayan. So yung tension ng belt wala na. Pwede natin remove yung guys, dahil magtatanggal tayo ng alternator, kailangan nating disconnect yung battery terminal, ating battery. Okay, para ma-avoid yung spark habang nagtatanggal tayo ng alternator. Okay, so guys, tanggalin natin yung drive belt para matanggal natin ang alternator. Okay, so i-remove natin yung harness connector. Then yung ating battery terminal cover, ang alternator. Okay. Then yung nut na 12 mm. Okay, next natin tanggalin yung harness connector ng ating alternator. Okay. Yan itong mounting nut. Oh. Remove natin to. Ewan natin isang idler pulley mga guys, yung lower side. Kasi nakaharang dun sa bolt ng ating alternator mounting. Okay. So yun yung bolt ng ating alternator. Para maluwag, kailangan tanggalin yung idler pulley. Okay. Yan mga guys, kailangan ding magtanggal ng compressor mounting para lumabas yung ating alternator. Okay? Alternator. So confirm na talagang maingay kasi flooded vehicle pala to. May indication na mga dumi dito na tanda ng ito ay lumusong sa tubig, kaya maingay yung alternator dahil napasukan ng tubig guys, kaya maingay. Okay mga guys, so ito na yung ating alternator na maingay. May available parts tayo na papalitan. So yung front bearing, so ito yung part number ng ating front bearing. So may malaki at saka maliit. So usually ito yung ginagamit natin, yung malaking size na bearing. Okay? Then yung rear alternator bearing natin, so ito yung ating part number. So didismantle natin yung ating alternator. Inspeksyonin natin kung alin ang dapat palitan na bearing, either both front and rear or yung rear lang ang kailangan palitan. Okay? Okay mga guys, so start na natin dismantle yung ating alternator. So gamit tayo ng ratchet 8mm na socket wrench. Then remove natin yung ating alternator housing. Okay? Then, plastic hammer. Tupak natin itong alternator para may dismantle natin, matanggal natin yung ating rotor. Okay? Okay, so dismantle na natin ang ating alternator. So kung nakikita nyo yung ating small na alternator bearing, so na-damage na. Laki ng end play. So ito yung cause ng ating alternator noise. Okay? So inspeksyonin din natin yung ating front alternator bearing kung okay pa. Okay? So smooth naman yung rotation ng ating bearing sa front. So papalitan lang natin itong rear alternator bearing. Okay? So yung condition ng ating carbon brush still good condition. Mahaba pa, kaya hindi na natin papalitan mga guys. Okay? Okay mga guys, so we are going to use this tile river and ballpeen hammer. We will tap it here so that we can easily remove the bearing. Okay? But still, meaning bushing of our bearing still left in the shaft of our stator. Okay, we have to use chisel to remove it. Na-ribbon na natin yung bushing ng ating alternator bearing sa rear. Then we will install the new one. Okay? Okay, so ito na ating new alternator bearing natin sa rear side. Okay? So install na natin mga guys. So very easy to install ito. we are we are going to use this ball peen hammer. Then we will tap here at the top. Okay, so that's it, ready installed. Then we will assemble our alternator. Okay, so before we assemble our alternator, we have pin here, then the screwdriver that I make letter L, so that we can easily insert this pin to the hole of our alternator, so that the carbon brush will push it down. We'll push down this carbon brush so that we can insert the pin at the back. Okay. Okay, 1 min down. So ready the first carbon brush there in the inner side. Then the second one. Okay. So already there. We put already the pin of our carbon brush. Then ready to assemble our alternator. Okay. So the mounting of our alternator, the lower mounting hole here and the lower mounting hole here in front of our alternator housing must be aligned. Okay. Then we will tap alternator housing using our plastic hammer. Okay. And we will put our mounting bolt and we will temporarily tight the bolt. Okay. Then we will tap it. Put the bolt properly. Okay. Okay, after we tighten the mounting bolts of our alternator, we will rotate our alternator pulley so that we can determine if it will rotate smooth. Okay, then that's the time we will remove the pin that we inserted at the back of our alternator. Okay, that's it mga guys. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial natin sa araw na to. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. Okay, so ready to install na yung ating alternator sa ating sasakyan. Okay mga guys, so na-mount na natin yung ating alternator. So install natin lahat ng mga dismantle natin para matapos yung ating unit.